this is Arjun. So in last video we found PT 1-2 equal to 1657.86 newtons and PR equal to 603.41 newtons, right? So if we make the free body diagram, this is my gear number 3 and this is my gear number 2. For that I will share the snapshot of the question with the diagram in the comment section or in your WhatsApp groups. So this is my gear number 3. This is my gear number 3, right? This is my gear number 2. So if I'll make forces, if I plot forces on it, this is my central axis, right? So if this gear is rotating in clockwise direction, so force PT should be acting like this and PR like this. So reaction on this shaft should put on this gear in opposite direction, which is in this reaction, and for this reaction should come like this. Same way in this gear, force PR dash will act like this and PT should be able to act like this, then only this gear will rotate in clockwise direction. See, point here is both gears will have the same direction for rotation since they both are in one shaft, which is the common shaft. So for reaction, for this reaction shall be like this in the central shaft and this for PR. These are reactions, these are reactions, right? So we have already calculated PT here. We will donate the forces on 3 and 4 gear by PT dash. So it should be like this: PT into D2 dash by 2 means torque should be equivalent to PT dash into D3 dash by 2, since torque should be equivalent in both the gears since they are in common shaft. So by that PT is 1657.86 into 50 into 4 divided by 2 equal to PT dash into D3 dash should be 4 into 30 divided by 2. And why I am writing 4 into 30 divided by 2 and 50 into 4? Why? Because D2 dash is equal to MZ2 and D3 dash is equal to MZ3. Z2 is 50, 4 is module. Z3 is 30, 4 is my module. So by that PT dash will come equal to 2763.1 Newton. Similarly, PR dash is already equivalent to tan 20 into 2763.1 newtons, which is alpha is equal to 20 degree. So my PR dash should be equal to 1005.6 Newton. So these are my final answers. What are PT dash, this one, PR, this one, PT, this one, and PR, this one. That would be all. Thank you.